Namaste students, welcome to maths class. We will continue the lesson exponents and powers. Already we have started the law of exponents. We will recall once again. According to first law of exponent, a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. According to second law of exponent, a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. According to third law, it states that a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. And fourth law of exponents, it states that a power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. We have studied those laws. Now we will continue this. Fifth law, that is dividing powers with the same exponents. How to divide exponential term with the same exponents? If they are having same powers but different base, how to divide? Let us take one example. 2 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 raised to 4 we can expand this as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So I have written like this. We have to split and write 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. What I have done? I have written separately 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. That is equal to, in the LHS we have 2 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. That is equal to 2 by 3 is multiplied itself 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write it as 2 by 3 whole raised to 4. 2 by 3 is multiplied 4 times with itself. So I have written 2 by 3 whole raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 is equal to 2 by 3 whole raised to 4. Let us take one more example. A cube divided by b cube. That is equal to a cube we can write it as a into a into a. B cube we can write it as b into b into b. So how we have written in the previous example, I have written separately a by b into a by b into a by b. So that is equal to a by b is multiplied itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So I can write it as a by b whole cube. A by b is multiplied itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So I can write it as a divided by b whole cube. Therefore, a cube by b cube is equal to a by b whole cube. So by these two examples, we can generalize that if powers are same, if it is division, if powers are same, if it is division, we can write like this. A cube divided by b cube is equal to a by b whole cube. So we can generalize fifth law of exponent. Fifth law of exponent, it states that a raised to m divided by b raised to m is equal to a divided by b whole raised to m. A divided by b whole raised to m. Here a and b are any non-zero integers and m is a whole number. M is a whole number. So let us take one example. Expand 3 divided by b whole raised to 4. 3 divided by 5 whole raised to 4. So can we use fifth law of exponent here? If a divided by b whole raised to m, we can write it as a power m divided by b power m. So 3 divided by 5 whole raised to 4, we can write it as 3 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 4. Why I have written like this? A by b whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. So I have used fifth law of exponent here. So 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 raised to 4 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. I have expanded these terms. Next, Numbers with exponent 0. Numbers with exponent 0. What is the value of any number if the exponent is 0? For example, 3 raised to the power of 0. What is the value of this? 3 exponent is 0. What is the value of this? 3 raised to the power of 0. What is the value of this? Let us take one example. 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5. I have taken the example like this. 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 is equal to 3 raised to 5. We have to expand this exponential term. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 raised to 5 means 3 is multiplied itself 5 times. Divided by 3 raised to 5. Again 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. 3 3 get cancelled. Numerator, denominator. If we cancel these terms, we will get 1. Therefore, 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 value is what? 1. So, by using law of exponents, 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 is equal to, already we have studied second law of exponent. What does it states? A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. If bases are same, if it is division, we have to subtract the exponents. If we have to subtract the powers, right? So here can we use second law of exponent? 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 is equal to, bases are same. 3, here is also 3. So we can subtract the exponents. 3 raised to 5 minus 5. So 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 is equal to 3 raised to 5 minus 5 is 0. Yes or no? 5 minus 5 is how much? 0. 3 raised to 0. So here also 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 is equal to 1. Here 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 is equal to 3 raised to 0. Take these two lines. LHS, if we observe the LHS part, here LHS is 3 raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5. Here also LHS is 3 raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5. If LHS are same, we can equate the RHS. That is 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, a cube divided by a cube. If we take a cube by a cube by a cube, we can write it as a raised to 3 minus 3 according to law of exponent. A raised to 3 minus 3 is equal to a raised to 0. And a cube divided by a cube, we can also write it as a into a divided by a into a into a. A cube means a is multiplied itself by 3 times. So a get cancelled, a get cancels, a get cancels. Remaining is 1. If we take these two, LHS is same. A cube divided by a cube. Here also a cube divided by a cube. LHS are equal. So RHS can be equated. RHS here a power 0. Here RHS is 1. So a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Here a is any non-zero integer. So by these examples, what can we conclude? Any number except 0 raised to the power 0 is 1. If you take any number other than 0, if its exponent is 0, its value is how much? 1. Can you tell quickly 100 raised to the power of 0, its value is how much? Can we use this? Yes, 100 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any number other than 0, if its exponent is 0, its value is always 1. So we will start exercise 13.2. Before going to start exercise, we will recall a law of exponents. You have to remember first law of exponent a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If base is same, if it is multiplication, we have to add the exponents. Second law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. It means if bases are same, if it is division, you have to subtract the exponents. Third law, a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. It means power of a power, then we have to multiply the powers. Next one, a raised to m into b raised to m. If exponents are same, bases are different, if it is multiplication, what we have to do? A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m. We have to multiply the bases and keep the exponent as it is. And next law is a raised to m divided by b raised to m is equal to a by b whole raised to m. Next, one important thing is a raised to 0, its value is 1. Here a is any non-zero integer. If any number other than 0, if its exponent is 0, its value is always 1. So if you remember these laws, it is easy to solve exercise problems. First one, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. What we have to do? We have to use law of exponents, then we have to simplify, and we have to write the answer in exponential form. Exponential form means base with power, base with exponent. Okay. First one, 3 square into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8. So how to simplify this? Can we use any law of exponent here? You observe the problem clearly. Here bases are same. Base is 3. Here is 3. Here is also 3. So in all the 3 terms, base is same. So here, and it is multiplication. So can we add the exponents? Yes, according to first law of exponent, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So I am using this law here. 3 raised to, add the exponents because base is same. 2 plus 4 plus 8. I have added all the exponents. That is equal to 3 raised to. Write the base as it is. 3 raised to 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. 3 raised to 14 will be the answer. It is the exponential form. We will pass on to the second one. 6 raised to 15 divided by 6 raised to 10. Can you guess which law of exponent is suitable here? Can you think? Yes. It is in the form of a raised to m divided by a raised to n. If you look at this problem, we will come to know here base is 6. Here is also base is 6. Bases are same and it is division. So we can subtract the exponents according to second law of exponents. So 6 raised to 15 divided by 6 raised to 10 is equal to 6 raised to 15 minus 10. I have subtracted the exponents. 6 raised to 15 minus 10 is equal to 15 minus 10 is 5. So 6 raised to 5. 6 raised to 5 is the exponential form. I will pass on to fourth one. 7 raised to x into 7 raised to 2. 7 raised to x into 7 square. So if you observe the problem correctly, we will come to know that here bases are same. Base is 7, base is 7 and it is multiplication. So we can add the exponents. 7 raised to x plus 2. Because first law of exponent states that a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 7 raised to x plus 2. I have added the exponents. So 7 raised to x plus 2. We cannot simplify further. So you write as it is. Fifth one. 5 square whole cube divided by 5 cube. So first we have to simplify the first term. Can we use any law of exponent here? Consider 5 square whole cube. It is in the form of a raised to m whole raised to n. You see here a raised to m whole raised to n. It is in the form. So if it is a raised to m whole raised to n, what we will write? A raised to m into n according to law of exponent. So 5 raised to 2 whole raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 2 into 3. Power of a power. So we can multiply the powers. 5 raised to 2 into 3. That is equal to 2 3s are 6. 5 raised to 6. Have you understood? I have used law of exponent here. So 5 raised to 5 square whole cube, I have written it as 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 cube, you write as it is. Again, can we use any law of exponent here? Yes. A raised to m divided by a raised to n. Bases are same and division, so we can subtract the exponents. 5 raised to 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. So 5 raised to 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 cube is the answer. Next, sixth one. 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. So, which law of exponent can we apply here? A raised to m into b raised to m. Here bases are different, exponents are same. Multiplying the powers with the same exponent. So a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b whole raised to m. We have to apply this law. So by using this law, we can write 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 is equal to a into b. A is 2, b is 5. So 2 into 5 whole raised to m. M is 5 here. Power exponent is 5. So 2 into 5 whole raised to 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 raised to 5 will be the answer. Have you understood? I have used this law. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b whole raised to m. If exponents are same, bases are different. If it is multiplication, what we have to do? We have to multiply the bases and keep the exponent as it is. 2 5s are 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5. I will pass on to ninth one. 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15 into 2 cube. How to simplify this? By using law of exponent. You just read the problem once again. 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15 into 2 cube. First we have to simplify the terms inside the bracket. 2 raised to, consider 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15. Okay, we will simplify the first term. It is in the form of a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Bases are same, exponents are different, and it is division. So we can subtract the exponent according to second law of exponent. So I can write it as 2 raised to 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15. 2 raised to 20 minus 15 is 5. So 2 raised to 5. Therefore, the given problem will become 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15 is 2 raised to 5. So I have written 2 raised to 5 into, you write as it is, 2 cube you write as it is. That is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n form. According to first law of exponent, a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. I have added the exponent. 2 raised to 5 plus 3. Keep the base as it is, add the exponents. So 2 raised to 5 plus 3 is 8. Therefore, 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15 into 2 cube is 2 raised to 8. I hope you have understood today's class. Please practice all these problems. Thank you, one and all.